This time we are going to continue the characters related to cooking way. The first character is
焗
meaning bake. For example,
鹽焗雞鹽焗雞焗豬扒飯焗豬扒飯焗蛋糕焗蛋糕點樣用一個細焗爐焗一隻大雞啊？點樣用一個細焗爐焗一隻大雞啊？
Next is
烤
It means roast or grill. For example,
烤雞烤雞烤肉烤肉烤魚烤魚烤肉喺香港唔係好普遍。烤肉喺香港唔係好普遍。
The third one is
燒
meaning burn on fire or barbecue. For example,
燒肉燒鵝燒鵝燒鵝燒鵝天氣轉冷，香港人就喜歡去燒烤。天氣轉冷，香港人就喜歡去燒烤。
The last one is not a character, but a practice of having meal. It is
火鍋
meaning hot pot. In Cantonese we commonly call it
打邊爐
Long time ago, people loved to have hot pots in winter. In recent years, people even have hot pots in summer in an air-conditioned room. See the following example.
依家喺酒樓打邊爐越嚟越貴。依家喺酒樓打邊爐越嚟越貴。
Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. See you next time.